Hello. Yeah, so first of all, it looks like this as the finished product. And I'll show you how to put it back together if you was just wondering. So these are all the pieces. So you have these pieces, and you have these pieces, and you also have these pieces, and you have the lid. First step is to get the base. The bases are made out of these two structures. I call them the legs of the table. So they just fit into here, like this. The next thing is to fit the desks in. So you have a top desk, and you have a bottom desk. Can you see? Top desk and bottom desk. So this is where the big one goes, and this is where the small one goes. So now, these are the correct size, and these are the correct size. So we have two of each. So now we just put them together. So the smaller one, these are the smaller ones and these are the bigger ones. Now the smaller ones go together and they go at the bottom. So that would be here. So the smaller ones go at the bottom, and then the bigger ones go at the top. Did it wrong. Which one is the smaller one? No, that's right. The smaller ones go at the bottom, and then the bigger ones go at the top. Like so. Next, you just put the table, the lid on top. Done.